Today's lesson is pressing your bets. Players have bets on their each number and they want to press. Pressing is where we double what they currently have, and we've gone over this. This is just a refresher video, and we're going to go from the 9 all the way down to the 4. But this time we're going to take some shortcuts. So the first thing I do, mark the 10. 9 rolls. Player says press my bet. And the first thing I do is I just look at the bet. $15. I know that bet is going to 30 because they're pressing, right? We double what they have. My payoff, 7 times the 3 nickels, $21. But I need a green, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out with 26. I am going to take a $5 bet and give it to the box. I am going to give 6 change to the player, and there's my $30. So the payoff is 21. I give them 26 for 5, which is my $21 payoff, and I press the bet. Same thing on the 8. Player says press. Well, we know if we cut out 21 and we hand off the cap, that's our 36. But then I'm going to have to bring the bet into the box anyway to replace it. So why not replace it now? So the move for 18 going to 36, bet pays $21. 7 times the $3 cap, $21, cut out 26. Immediately pick up the white and put it on top of the bet. So if I take a nickel, if I pick up the whole bet and I give the box a nickel, that's my $21 payoff. I need 36, there's my 36. Player gets the change, which is no different than handing off the $3 cap. But I converted it while I did it so that I could save 1 move cutting it out, 2 moves stacking it up, 3 moves giving it to the box, 4 moves setting it up. Instead, I did 26 for 5 and handed off the change. I did 1 move. Remember, trying to expedite what we do, picking up our speed, learning how to see conversions in what we do. Next bet pays 42. It's a $49 payoff. Player says press. Well, I know that means I have to hand off the cap. But, as you can see, $84, but now I have to change up this to 30 bucks. And there's my $84. How do we convert that? Well, I know my $42 bet is going to look like 84. 42 pays 49, so if I came out with 50 and took $1, obviously I have no white. But if I came out with 54 pays 49. If I took 54 minus a nickel, that's my $49 payoff. I need 84. I am going to give the player 7 change. There's my $84. And I don't have to convert it and do all those excess moves. I can do 54 for 5. And that's my $49 payoff. 35, right? Easy press, nice and simple. Player says buy it for a quarter. So we know it pays 27. Then I have to take $1, take the bet, give it to the box, 16 change. What's the shortcut? Phantom Vig. I know if I'm cutting this out, I'm reaching for 27, and they say buy it for a quarter. I'm coming out with 26. I'm giving the player 16, and I just have a phantom dollar vig. Instead of cutting it out, I just left it in my stack because I know I need a vig for that. And that's called a phantom vig. Then we'll go backwards. 5 hits, go to 100. Press it, give them the change. 84 goes to 98, you give off the $14 cap. Same thing here, pays 42. Player says press. All I have to do is give them the cap. 30 pays 42. It's going to 60. I know I need $30. Player gets the change. Thumb flip, 60 bucks. And that is pressing. Pressing is doubling what is currently on the bet. And then we can always come back and fix our caps after we're done. Take care of the bets. Why? Because you may have 3 or 4 different other people you have to pay. Press the bet, hand off the change. move on, finish your transactions, come back and set your caps. And that is pressing bets.